Welcome to Bplanmaker.com. If you've ever thought about opening your own martial arts school, now is the perfect time. But the first obstacle you got to jump over is getting the funding, and you're going to need a business plan. That's where we come in. It's easy to edit, it follows the SBA style format, it's everything lenders is looking for. Let's take a look. It's the executive summary, then we go into our products and services. Then we jump down into our market analysis. This is your primary market, target market, even your competition gets laid out here. Then we jump into the facility and operations with your capital equipment list, your sales strategy, then your management summary, and then finally, we have a 3-year financial projection, which includes profit and loss, cash flow, balance sheet, key business ratios, everything lenders are looking for 50 bucks. No monthly fees, no ongoing subscriptions, nothing more to buy. So if you're serious about opening your own martial arts school and you need funding, buy one of our easy to download plans, edit in your information, save tons of time and tons of money, and give lenders exactly what they're looking for.